sure you don't wash it for 3 days.
3 days?
Don't drive it for 3 hours. You can drive it back inside the grill, but do not put on highway or street.
Okay. I'm just gonna tell my wife I can't drive my truck, so we take her car everywhere. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who now. Back, baby. Another video, guys. So I'm on my way downstairs right now. The guy's here to replace my windshield. I'll talk a little bit more about that once I get out front. And you know I'm recording too for the YouTube channel. So I'm parked right in this garage right there, but I don't think there's anywhere to step up. No, I can find the curb. Maybe on the other.
Maybe right there. Head this way.
You talking just park right in front of you?
No, past the entrance, right there.
On the right hand side?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come around. So y'all remember Quee from the last video, man. Q is a Q from the last video. He came over and did my side passenger windows when people broke into my F-150. Sorry, I got these towels. I don't know if I caught that. He said we need to find a curb. He's like, I'm a short guy and the truck is lifted, so I need something to stand up on to be able to like get it up there. So I'm gonna move the truck around the corner next to a curb and we'll get it done. I did choose to go with, there's two options. One was OEM, and of course the other one was aftermarket. The aftermarket was $235. The OEM was $485. I did choose to go with the OEM based on what he said. He said the OEM is going to be quieter than the aftermarket. And I read that online as well. A lot of people said that the aftermarket for them either chipped or cracked very easy, or it was more noisier in the cabin. And since I plan on keeping my truck for a while, not something I want to cheap out on my windshield, I definitely like my cabin quiet, and I don't want to spend $250 on a windshield and then a rock hit it, a little chip, and then maybe that rock chip starts spreading. So now I got to spend another, $250 to get that fixed. So I'm just gonna go the route, spend the money for it, man, spend the right money. He did a good job last time, so I don't doubt it will not come out good. So anyway, I'm gonna drive over. He's waiting for me, and I'll just catch y'all over here in a second. All right, guys, we pulling up now, and it is super windy out here. So hopefully y'all be able to hear me as I'm trying to talk and show y'all this. He has another guy with him. I bought two people because I was figuring like this has to be a two-person job because one, my truck is tall, two, just a big windshield. So I do got a camera up here. I need to detach it.
I'll take care of it.
You take care of it? All right.
We're off-roading.
Yeah, it wasn't by choice. It was by accident. It was supposed to be for a picture, and I ended up getting stuck. But yeah, it looks pretty bad. Dang, it hit all up there. So chain popped back. It scratched my hood here, and you see it hit the top of my truck too. The 3 dents. Yeah, man. So y'all know anybody who can kind of maybe fix this? Y'all know anybody?
No, these are like touch up or something.
All right. Oh, you gotta take the windshield off. Am I the last job of the day?
Yes. We went to Dallas.
Okay.
We did 4 jobs on 2 cars.
Okay, 4 jobs on 2 cars.
Ex-boyfriend got pissed off.
Oh.
The new boyfriend and messed the whole thing up.
Oh. He broke all the windows?
2 of each car.
2 of each car.
Yeah.
So he broke the girls and then the guy.
Yeah.
Dang. That sucks. See? You gotta be careful who you get involved with these days. Look at all that sand and stuff in there, man. Holy crap. Look at all the sand. That's still in there. That's crazy. About 2 different tow trucks out, and they couldn't get me out. So they had to get one that they use for like the 18-wheelers. Man, I was somewhere I ain't have no business being, man. It's like, so I was like downtown, underneath the overpass. I just said a good idea ended up being a bad idea.
So you were down at Trinity River.
Somewhere down there, yep, down up in there. It was a Liberty stream about this wide, and thought I could get across. I got across, but I had to come back. There was no way to get out, and that's when I got stuck. So I just looked, guys, and look, there's still dirt, all mud, all the way down up in there. It's crazy. I'm definitely going to take this and get it professionally detailed because there's mud in places I didn't even I saw, but now I really see it in the daytime. It was nighttime last night when I was cleaning it, so there's just some stuff I couldn't see, but now I see it even more. Some spots, look at that, like I got all that last night. I thought I did anyway. Holy snaps, dude, I gotta, oh, this rock light is covered. Oh crap, I'll get it all taken care of. So it's like a seal or glue?
It is glue.
Glue?
All the way around.
Yes. Sand all in there. Sorry about that, man.
How about the wood?
You say what?
All the way here.
What, sand? So he said there's sand all at the top where the windshield meets at. So they gotta vacuum it out. All that freaking sand. So basically just held on with glue is what he was saying around the side of the mirror. I mean the window, the windshield. Bringing up the heavy machinery now. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is very, very interesting to see this stuff. I was curious how this stuff works. Oh, no, they like drilling. What? Look at this. Y'all can see this, so basically it's like a tool and it's just running like all the way around the freaking underneath the thing there. Holy shit, the whole windshield about to come off. Look at this. Whole freaking glass. There it is, just like that. Is that pretty heavy?
About 55 pounds.
55? That's pretty heavy. Jesus Christ. Look at this, guys. Oh boy, it cracked pretty good right there, man, as y'all can see. Well, live and you learn. Don't do that again. All right, what's up, everybody? Real quick video break here to a supporter of the channel. Shout out to my man Logan. He has a F150 as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and share this with y'all real quick. Hey, Logan, I appreciate you for supporting the channel. So he has a 2016 F150. It's a 5.0 liter V8. Nice touch. Color is Caribou. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a 6-inch rough country lift kit. Needle ridge grapplers on 35 by 12.5 by 20s. XD series XD822 Monster 2 with a -24 offset. Got okay, nice little stance. Bushwhack fender flares, plastic dip front emblem in the back emblems, black F150 badges. He has a K&N cold air intake, ranch hand Summit bullnose front bumper, huge front bumper, excuse me, ranch hand rear bumper. So you got a nice aggressive look going. He has a 6 or 7 drop hitch with a 2-inch ball. He has reach power to hitch steps, Enzo headlights and tail lights, and a smoke third brake light. So y'all saw his truck right there, man. He got a lot of stuff put into this truck, man. So nice looking truck, Logan, man. I appreciate you supporting the channel. I'll go check him out on Instagram. But yeah, let's get back to the video. That's how it looks. We might be able to drive around like that. Let's put some sunglasses on. Not sure you guys can see that. Look at all the dirt. All that dirt and sand was stuck up there. Guys, so here's the replacement mirror. Windshield. I keep saying mirror. Here's the replacement windshield. Right here, as y'all can see. OEM. Y'all don't know what the AS1 line is? Basically, what that means is your tint can't go below that line. I don't know. I know it's state of Texas, but yeah, that's what the AS1 line is. This just cleaner?
Yes. Didn't see your other videos.
You didn't see it?
No.
I gotta send you the link.
You were supposed to send it to me.
I was?
A year ago.
Let me do it right now. Hold on, let me do it right because I'll forget. And I found your number because I went back and watched my video. Cause I put your number down there.
What did you say this AS1 means on the windshield?
So that means that your tint can't go past that line. Your tint, if you get your windshield tinted, that's the furthest they can bring down like a tint strip.
Yes.
Right? That's right?
That's one of the reasons. The other reason.
Oh, what's the other reason?
That's for the robots at the assembly line.
Really?
They know where to put the suction cup and all those things. That's the measurement for robot and everything.
Look at me giving out half information. That's cool. I didn't know that.
Especially on OEM models.
Yeah. Freaking bug. It was a bug. I just killed it.
I thought you
No. You
tried to. No more finger touch.
No.
The bug not gonna make it lick, but the oil in my
in your fingers?
your skin will
Cause it not to stick? Or
never happen, but to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
They telling us.
Ah, okay. Didn't know that. Don't touch it. All on your fingers. I guess we're reapplying some glue. See there? Putting the new windshield on now. That's cool. They got like these suction cup things that they stick on there so you can hold it. I would imagine you have to be like very, very precise when you're putting on the windshield because if you put it in the wrong spot or don't seal it right, I'm pretty sure water leakage get down in there. So I'm pretty sure it's a very precise thing to have to do.
Your sticker indicates this is OEM, made for Ford,
excuse me.
Nashville glass plant.
Oh, okay. The OEM sticker? Okay.
Made in USA, and also Ford.
Yeah,
it says
Ford
over there, and Ford right there.
Ah, okay. Good to know. I was reading some forums. You go aftermarket. They said aftermarket chip a bit easier, like rock chips and stuff.
Not necessarily.
Not true. Okay.
Aftermarket, if you want to have acoustic interlayer, or they call it sound screen on Ford. If you want that, there is not a much different in price.
Okay.
And you're missing that Ford logo right there.
Gotcha.
So that's why. If you want to keep the car more quiet,
yeah.
I prefer to put OEM. I had no idea, and so many people, they were telling me,
what's that?
Oh no, I'm not worried about that. Now I bought my wife a Highlander.
Okay, Toyota.
Front windows, front door glass, and the windshield. All three acoustic interlayer, and I swear to God.
Oh really?
You can floor that damn thing. You
don't hear nothing?
Nothing.
Alright guys, they about wrapping up. He just put the windshield wiper back on. He also put on my inspection sticker back and my oil change sticker. And they just put back on the rearview mirror. So yeah, just like that. It looks a lot better than it did 30 minutes ago. Opposed to this. Can y'all keep this or is this trash? Done.
It's trash.
It's trash.
Just gonna dump it.
So here's the final product. That's what it looks like. Yeah, we back in business. So now I just got to figure out how to get this crap, get this taken care of. So yeah, man, she good to go. Looks brand new, like nothing ever happened. Do you travel anywhere in DFW or just local?
Mostly Dallas. Metro.
Okay.
Usually try to stay away from Fort Worth.
Okay.
There's not enough highway in Fort Worth.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's all good?
That's all good. Just make sure you don't wash it for 3 days.
3 days?
Don't drive it for 3 hours. You can drive it back inside the garage, but do not get on highway or a street.
Okay.
Next 3 hours.
Okay.
And keep the tape up 24 hours.
Okay. So don't drive for 3 days. Don't drive it now for 3 hours. And don't drive for 3 days?
Stay within a speed limit for next 3 days.
Oh, speed. Oh, like 45?
No off-roading, no over the speed. A speed limit, if it's 90, go 90.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If it's 20, go 20. Don't go more than that.
Okay. I'm just going to tell my wife I can't drive my truck, so we take her car everywhere. So for 3 days, all right, and tape on for 24 hours. All right. Cool. And I'm going to go ahead and post this information down there like I did last time. You got the video.
Yes,
I'll send you this one too when you want it.
And send me that link too. Don't forget.
I sent it to you.
Year and a half later.
All right, but we all done, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I got your number. I put his number down there in the details and all that. Super fast service, super good service. Like I said, I called him back because he did such a great job last time. So I just called him back again and didn't disappoint, man. So y'all have a good one. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.